Hello, third graders. This week we will begin a new chapter book. The name of the book is called Charlotte's Web. The spelling words and the vocabulary words will come directly from that book. So this week we're reading chapters 1 through 3. So all the words from our spelling list for this week are listed here. Next week we'll work on spelling list for chapters 4 through 7. So let's go ahead and talk about our spelling words. The name of the main character in this story is Charlotte. Web, spider, runt, springtime, farm, animals, barn, Wilbur, injustice, breakfast, reconsider. It's like the R is cut off there a little bit. Pigpen, feelings, escape. We need handwriting practice. Please write these words 2 times each. Take a picture and turn in your spelling words that way today. Let's write these words together. Number 1, Charlotte with a capital C. Most of the time, CH makes but not in the word Charlotte. Number 2, web. W-E-B. A spider catches her prey in a web. Number 3, that brings us to that word spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Number 4, runt. The runt of the litter is usually the smallest. Runt. Springtime. Yay, springtime finally. Notice that springtime is a compound word. It has 2 words together in one. They need to be written together just like so. Number 6, farm. F-A-R-M. A-R is one of those R-controlled sounds. Number 7, animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. There are many kinds of animals on a farm. Number 8, barn. The barn is big, bright, and red. Barn. Number 9, Wilbur. Capital W. I-L-B-U-R. Wilbur's also a character in the story The Charlotte's Web. Number 10, injustice. In is the prefix. Justice is the main part of the word, the root word. Injustice is the opposite of justice, and justice means fair and right. So an injustice would mean not fair, not right. Reconsider. Re, also prefix, consider. You should really reconsider or think about your decision again. Number 12, pigpen. Also a compound word, pig, pen. go together to make one word, but if those words were separated, they'd still make sense on their own. Pigs sometimes live in a pig pen. Feelings. What are your feelings about returning back to school on spring break? 14. Escape. If you lived in a pen, you might try to escape too. Magic E word hops over the consonant, makes that A say its name. Write each one of your words 2 times each. Turn them in by a file upload or a media recording, which means take a picture of your words written 2 times each. It's worth a big whopping 30 points for today. I'd love to see your handwriting. Have a great day. And after I took another look, I knew I forgot one. I knew I had 15 words altogether. In between injustice and reconsider is another word that is a compound word, and that is the word breakfast. I'm going to add it at the end. That should technically be your number 11, but no biggie. You don't even have to number them if you don't want to. Breakfast. What is your favorite kind of breakfast? Okay, now I finished. I promise.